Welcome to Exam Heist, your trusted partner in certification success. We provide comprehensive study materials, available both online and offline. We're here to guide you every step of the way. From in-depth PDF guides to structured practice sets, we covered all essential questions to help you in certificating. You'll always have the right resources at your fingertips. Download the PDFs, take practice tests, and connect with our expert support team. Interactive online practice support, so you can test yourself anytime, anywhere. Exam-ready PDFs, carefully curated with essential questions. Top performers consistently rely on Exam Heist. With thousands of learners already certified, we've built a reputation for quality and trust. Expert assistance, where certified professionals are available to answer your queries. And most importantly, content that stays up to date with the latest exam patterns. Start today, and move one step closer to your certification success. So don't wait. Give your preparation the winning edge with Exam Heist. Visit examheist.com now. Exam Heist, your journey to success starts here.
Question 1. Consider the following diagram, which represents a migration from a baseline to a target architecture. Which of the following answers best interprets the unlabeled symbol in the middle of the diagram? Option A. It represents a relatively stable intermediate state during the migration from the baseline to the target architectures. Option B. It represents a project that progresses the architecture from baseline to target. Option C. It represents the deliverables necessary to transform the architecture from baseline to target. Option D. It represents a conceptual point of transition between the two architectures, but one that is unlikely to exist in reality for more than an instant. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option A. It represents a relatively stable intermediate state during the migration from the baseline to the target architectures. Question 2. Which application layer concept is defined as a passive element? Option A. Application component. Option B. Application function. Option C. Data object. Option D. Business object. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option C. Data object. Visit examheist.com now. Start your exam success today. Prepare smarter with Exam Heist. Practice real exam questions. Download PDFs and revise with confidence.